Okay, this is a demo of live programming by example. In this window, we have our JavaScript code, and in this window, we can provide some examples. So let's start by checking what our current implementation of greet does. Currently, it's just concatenating the strings together, but maybe that's not quite what we wanted. We actually wanted to have a space. So traditionally, you'd have to go into the code and change this manually. Now what we can do is simply update the output example to the intended output, and our system will synthesize a new function, a repair to the current function, that fixes the code to fit our example. Now let's say we want to add a new function, so we're going to add a function called Leadify, and this is for now just going to turn this into something really cool. So we'll start by testing with hello, and this just outputs hello, but we could, for example, do that and it's updating automatically, or we could put some crazy characters at the end and that will update automatically. Now, just to keep in mind, our eventual goal is to apply Leadify to greet of maybe hello world. Yeah, and we want to generate some cool message here. So what we're going to do is format our input to Leadify. So to start with, let's say we want to change all the E's to a 3. And that means that we're going to be cool. So we've done that, but we are no longer satisfying, we're not really getting the output that we were looking for Leadify of our greeting. So let's put in another example here to understand what's going on. So I'll put in eat, and as we might expect, everything is getting turned into this string literal by concatenating these characters together. So that's not going to work for us. Actually, what we wanted was for eat, that should have become 3AT. And so we can update our examples, and then the code is updated to match the examples. Now we can see our bigger example here is giving us the output we would expect. And now, just to be extra cool, we're going to put some more output at the end of our examples. And the system automatically updates, keeping a record of the previous states that we have been in. And then we can go in here and we can change this code to something that we like, or whatever we want to do. And as we change this, this is automatically updated as well. And that's programming by example.